Ciao Tesla people, I just got a notification that there's a software update, so let's go to the download page, and it's connecting to Wi-Fi. Needs to connect, and it's the 2024.14.9. I'm on .8, so most likely is just bug fixes. Let's go, yeah, minor fixes. Okay, so let's go back to there, and .9, let's connect it to a network. So it should be just bug fixes. We'll see if anything changes, if there is a blue dot on any of the okay, so it's connecting to this guy. Okay, so let's go back, and it's downloading. Okay, it's 1 megabit almost. Okay, which is good. So I'll do the download and then start the installation, do a time lapse. I'm going to do a few seconds for you, and we'll see. Usually it's half an hour for me, and we'll see how it goes. So the download is done. Let's start this time from the phone. So I'll click on this, and it says all the way up here, software install. You want to install 2024.14.9, yes, and the installation starts. Okay, to speed up this 2 minutes, you just tap it here 3 or 4 times, and it goes all the way to 1 second, and then starts the installation. Okay, pretty cool. So I'm going to do a time lapse. It takes 3 seconds for you, and it's done. So download, it's done, and here it's the main UI. And then if we go to software here, all the way here, 2024.14.9, here the navigation data has not been updated for a while. I'm still waiting here, and this is the navigation data for Europe. So it looks like there are no blue dots here on the icons. Let me check. Yeah, so probably are bug fixes and stuff. The release notes says minor fixes. Okay, so most likely is because there was the huge update, the spring update, the 2024.14.8, and they changed a lot of stuff. That installation took around an hour. This took around 25 minutes almost. So usually what they do, after a big release, they have bug fixes, of course, to do it, and they fix stuff, of course, but we don't know. I would like to know what the fix. I mean, if it's not too how you say, too technical, you know, I wouldn't have a problem to understand it, but I would like to see some more explanation of what has been fixed. Okay, so everything went well. Took around an hour, so everything is good. Please put a like, subscribe to the channel. It will help me a lot. A lot of people out there watch my videos are not subscribed, so please subscribe, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.